Welcome to the Goal Setting Workshop. I'm coming up on my 25th year of being involved and running this workshop myself. I was blessed to have it introduced to me in 1999. It took me several years to actually embrace it, but when I did, it made all the difference in my world. My goal out of the Goal Setting Workshop is to make it a difference in your life. It is a workshop. It will require your participation. Some of you will find that you have been strategic in some areas, but probably not all areas of your life. That's okay. And I hope you will not beat yourself up over your past or what you have or haven't done. But this is an opportunity to make intentional, concentrated efforts in all aspects of your life that are important to you. Let me be clear, through the course, you will determine what's important, and even more importantly, you will determine what defines success. Nobody's going to be dictating success to you other than you. Now, I will warn you, there will be parts of this that as you're going through it will become what I call self-therapy sessions. Nothing I'm going to do to ask you to be therapeutic. You're going to come to roles in your life, whether it has to, they're usually around relationships, whether it has to do with family, friends. For some of you, it may be career-based. You're going to have either some traumas, stress, or anxiety in those areas or those relationships. Embrace it the best you can. I don't have a lot of strategies. I'm not a psychologist, so I don't have a number of strategies to get you around those anxieties. My recommendation to you is to face them head on the best you can and try to make them better so that in a year from now when you're doing this session again, it's easier for you. That's what I've found works for me. That doesn't mean it'll be what works for you. But if you don't face them and just bury your head in the sand, those relationships or scenarios, situations, those parts of your life will tend to not get better. This is a workshop. It does require your participation. So get out pens or get ready to type and make sure you're actually following along with the activities that are required in each lesson. They all build on top of each other, so you don't want to jump around in the workshop. You want to follow it through. We start strategically. We get a mindset around what it is we want, and then we start building a tactical level process for how we get success factors, and then how we either get one-time efforts or habits that are going to allow us to achieve the goals we've set for ourselves. I'm not going to set any goals for you. The only goal I have for you and my ask of you is complete the workshop to the best of your ability. If you'll do it once, follow along with it, I promise you'll find the results addictive and you'll want to do this more and more. You'll want to expand it to more and more parts of your life. I've had people who were struggling with parenting that this course allowed them to get better and better and better by what they defined as better parenting. So I wish you luck through the course. Try to do all you can to complete it. It is a workshop. Participate to your fullest capability, and good luck.